Oh, he didn't bring them all in. They came in through the chimney. There's birds everywhere. What the hell? Look at this. There's birds everywhere.
Why are
There's like 30 birds. Oh, God. He hit me in the face.
Be careful.
Oh, regarde ça, regarde, mais regarde, il y a tout qui tombe. Mon Dieu, j'ai jamais vu ça de ma vie, quoi.
Oh my God, he's staring into my soul. Let me just run. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah, don't!
I'm good, I'm clean.
How close it came to just really being awful on the house. Here's the car. No structural damage there. Don't think the truck's going to be as fortunate. Yeah. Crushed. But it would have been, oh my word.
Oh, shit.
Oh, when he hit the other side, he holy shit.
अरे ना
यार तारी अरे यार मुका पे स्टोर में है तो शेप है अपना तो नहीं पाऊँ करो
अरे ना तू करो दी क्यों
Chị ơi,
बोले नहीं हाँ हाँ अपना बोर्ड में तू दी क्यों बाहर ना निकलते कि ये फोन करते हैं गोला
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Pelo amor de
Deus do céu!
Passa.
Oh, que isso, cara? Olha lá, barota. Caralho, velho.
Look at the camera and say goodbye to Hoss.
There you go. There you go, going up that tree. Can you make it?
Alright, focus on the bird. Oh!
Go, birdie, go, birdie, go. Survive.
Oh, now it's pretending nothing's up.
Here we go. You've eaten that lure. Jesus Christ! Holy moly! Right in the corner of the jaw.
This is James from the Tulsa Swarm Hotline at Shadow Mountain Honey Company. We're at Walgreens at 51st and Lewis. And we got a bee swarm on a car. Check that out. Pretty awesome. We're going to get suited up and take care of it.
Can you see it? Oh, how about that?
He's camera shy.
Zane!
Porca troia.
Porco Dio. Porco Dio.
Oh. That's not funny though.